Hello friends, if your higher inverter AC shows an error code, this video is perfect for you. We'll show all higher AC error codes, their meaning and easy fixes, so your AC runs safely at home. On this channel, we explain AC errors in simple language, one error at a time. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to like the video. E14 error indicates indoor room temperature sensor failure. AC cannot detect room temperature properly. E1 error shows the indoor evaporator coil sensor is faulty, cooling may be affected. E2 error means the outdoor ambient temperature sensor is not working properly. E3 error indicates a problem with the outdoor condenser coil sensor. E4 error signals the discharge temperature sensor of the compressor is faulty. E5 error occurs when the AC is drawing too much current. Check power supply and wiring. E6 error shows a communication failure between indoor and outdoor units. E7 error happens due to unstable power supply or incorrect phase connection. E8 error is triggered when voltage is too high or too low. AC stops for safety. F0 error means indoor fan motor is malfunctioning. Airflow may be weak. F1 error shows the outdoor fan motor is not working properly. F2 error indicates fan speed feedback problem. Fan may not run at correct speed. H0 error occurs due to low refrigerant gas or poor cooling performance. H1 indicates defrost mode. This is normal and not a fault. H3 error signals compressor is overheating. Check airflow and load. H5 error is triggered when the inverter module IPM overheats or draws too much current. P0 error shows inverter module protection is active. Check PCB and connections. P1 error occurs due to high refrigerant pressure. Inspect condenser and airflow. P2 error indicates low refrigerant pressure. Check gas level and leaks. P4 error shows compressor drive malfunction. AC may not start cooling. P7 error indicates compressor cannot start. Check PCB and wiring. C1 error shows memory or EEPROM problem in PCB. C2 error occurs when zero crossing detection fails in PCB. C3 error signals PCB communication address fault. Friends, we hope you now understand all higher inverter AC error codes. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content.